You have spent 20, maybe 25 years saving through the national pension system. You are a few months from retirement, and then someone tells you that a large part of your what you have built must go towards buying something called an annuity. You cannot take that part as cash, and whatever you decide, you cannot change it later. So let us start with the product itself, because the annuity, not the scheme, is the decision in front of you. An annuity is a retirement income product offered by life insurance companies and regulated by IRDAI, the insurance regulator in India. You pay a lump sum once or limited pay, and in return, the insurer commits to paying you a regular income, that is annuity. For life or for a defined period, it is the product that converts your retirement savings into a retirement salary. Most people reach retirement having never evaluated an annuity. The stakes of choosing casually are high. In this video, you will understand exactly how an annuity works, the types available, and how to evaluate providers so you make this one-time decision with confidence. Here is where NPS enters briefly. Through your working years, your NPS contributions grow into a corpus, which is simply the total amount that has built up. At retirement, NPS rules apply one basic split to it. At least 40% of the corpus must be used to buy an annuity from an approved life insurance company, and the remaining 60% can be withdrawn as a lump sum, tax-free, subject to prevailing tax laws. That is the entire rule. The 60% is yours to use as you wish, and the 40% becomes the engine of your monthly income for the rest of your life. And three things decide how strong that engine is: the amount you put in, the annuity rate the provider offers, and the type of annuity you choose. One more thing before we look at types: the annuity purchase is irreversible. Once you choose a provider and a plan type, it is difficult to switch. This is not a reason to worry. This is reason to choose well, and the rest of this video shows you how. Life insurers offer four main annuity types, and each answers a different life situation. Type 1. The life annuity. You receive a fixed income for as long as you are alive, and payments stop when you pass away, because nothing is returned afterwards. This type pay you the highest regular income of the four. Type 2. Annuity with return of purchase price. You receive income for life, and when you pass away, the full amount you paid for the annuity is returned to your nominee. Your regular income is lower than a pure life annuity because the insurer is setting your purchase price aside to return later. Type 3. The joint life annuity. Income continues for as long as either you or your spouse is alive. Worth serious consideration if your spouse has limited independent income. Type 4. Joint life with return of purchase price. Income continues for as long as either you or your spouse is alive. Worth serious consideration if your spouse has limited independent income. Also, on death of both, the annuitant purchase price is returned to nominee. You can choose which life insurance company you buy your annuity from. And since this is a lifelong contract, compare providers on three things. First, the annuity rate. Rates are set by each provider, so for the same amount and the same annuity type, different insurers will quote different incomes. Always collect quotes from more than one provider before deciding. Second, the annuity types on offer. Not every provider offers every combination. If you want a joint life annuity with return of purchase price, confirm who offers exactly that. Third, financial strength. The solvency ratio is, in plain terms, the insurer's financial cushion, its ability to meet every future payout it has promised. IRDAI requires every life insurer to maintain a solvency ratio of at least 1.5, and a ratio comfortably above that signals an insurer built for a contract that has to outlive you. Retirement income is the regular income you receive during your retirement years to meet your day-to-day expenses. An annuity product is the insurance solution that helps generate this income You pay a lump sum amount, limited pay to the insurer, and in return, the insurer provides a guaranteed income stream for life or for a period you choose, depending on the annuity option selected. Annuities aren't just for NPS subscribers. Anyone can buy an annuity from a life insurer using their retirement savings. Under NPS, a portion of your corpus is mandatorily used to purchase the same retirement income solution available to other retirees. Here is the 5-step process. Work through each one before you speak to any provider. Step 1. Work out how much monthly income you need. Add up your expected expenses in retirement and remember costs rise over time. Step 2. Check whether your spouse needs to be covered. If your spouse has limited income, a joint life annuity keeps the income flowing after you. Step 3. Consider your health. If you are in good health and expect a long retirement, a lifelong annuity with a higher income may serve you well. If health is a concern, having the purchase price returned to your family may matter more. Step 4. Decide on return of purchase price. It sends the corpus back to your family after you, and your regular income is lower in exchange. Step 5. Compare providers on all 4 criteria from earlier: rate, plan types, and solvency ratio. You do not choose on rate alone. A marginally higher rate means little without a strong claims and solvency record behind it. Once you have worked through all 5, you know what you need and exactly what to ask for. If you are ready to compare, ABSLI offers annuity plans including the ABSLI Guaranteed Annuity Plus, which provides guaranteed lifelong income with multiple annuity type options, including joint life and return of purchase price. ABSLI is available as an annuity provider to NPS subscribers at retirement. Plan details, current annuity rates, and illustrations are at the link in the description. Before I wrap up, let me answer the 3 questions I get asked most about annuities at retirement. How much of my NPS corpus must I use to buy an annuity? Under NPS rules, at least 40% of your corpus must be used to purchase an annuity from an approved life insurance company at retirement. The remaining 60% can be withdrawn as a lump sum, tax-free, subject to prevailing tax laws. Can I choose my own annuity provider at retirement? Yes. You can choose which approved life insurance company you buy your annuity from. Compare annuity rates, plan types, and solvency before committing. Is annuity income taxable in India? Yes. Annuity income is taxable as income in the year it is received. The 60% lump sum withdrawal from NPS is tax-free, subject to prevailing tax laws. Consult a tax advisor for your specific situation. An annuity is the one purchase that decides what your retirement pays you every month for life. Now you know how it works, the 4 types and the 5 steps to choose well. If this helped, hit like and subscribe, and check the description for ABSLI's annuity plan page with current rates and options. Drop your questions in the comments.